went from the dirty room and they're cleaning it very fast, and in under 8 seconds you've gotten a clean room. So without wasting time, welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make all those room cleanup or transformation videos you've been seeing online. So if you are a TikToker, YouTuber, you want to go into faceless content creation, and you've been seeing videos like that, I'm going to show you the whole step, how to do it for free without paying anyone anytime. So the first thing you're going to do is come over here to this website, gemini.google.com. I'm going to add the link in the video description. So when you come here, you're going to put some prompts. So I saved the prompt here. So this is the first prompt. Just copy it. I'm going to put the prompt in the video description as well, so you don't need to pause, or you can also pause the video and then manually type it, but I'm also going to put it in the video description for you, or in the comment, depends on what you're watching for. So copy the first prompt and put it here. So the prompt reads: a hyper-realistic vertical 9.3 photograph of an abandoned room inside a decaying house. The floor is buried under a chaotic pile of trash bags, blah blah blah. So it's just, let me not just make the video very long. So this is what you're going to do, and then you click on this submit. So it starts working here. Google Nano Banana starts working to load the video and make the prompt that you want. So while it's loading, let me just read it out. A hyper-realistic vertical 9.16 aspect ratio photograph. Okay, so let me close this. This is what it is. This is what it has given out, the first one. So you go back again, and then this is the second prompt. So this first prompt now is for the dirty room. Now you need a second prompt for the clean room. That's the before. This is the before. Now you need a clean one for the after. So you come over here, and this is the prompt 2. So you just come and come and then copy it. You get, so you copy it from here to the ending here, and then, so as you can see, I'm going to put it Gemini prompt 1, Gemini prompt 2. So you're going to know, you are going to easily differentiate the first prompt from the second prompt. So once you copy the second prompt, you come over here again and then paste it as well, just like you did from the first prompt. Paste it and then click on submit. So it's also loading, it's processing. So the second prompt reads a hyper-realistic, almost the same thing, but this one now, the difference is of a fully restored room. This first one is of an abandoned room, but this second one now is of a fully restored room. So you can see now, this is how it looks like. It looks very restored, it looks very clean. So this would be the before and this would be the after. Make sure that the prompts are similar, but one should be abandoned and one should be restored, so you can have the same windows and everything, so that and the same room size, so that when people see it, they might feel that, yeah, this is real, because the room looks similar. So once you've done this two, what you're going to do now is come here and click on this button, download full size. It will download. Come down here again to the second one and click on download full size. It will also download. Make sure both of them have downloaded. Then once it is downloaded, then you come to the next site. This next site is called labs.google. That's Google FX. It's called Google Flow, labs.google. So I'm going to also add it in the video description for you, so you don't need to worry about cramming it or writing it down. Just come to the video description or the comment section of the video, and you're going to see all this there for you for free. Once you come, you're going to sign up. You can sign up with your Google account. You must have a Google account to sign up. After signing up, you click on new projects. So once you click on new projects, it usually have the date and everything like that. So you're going to allow it to load. So don't just hurry, just take your time. So this is where it is. So click on, it can be text to video. Come here and change it to frames to video. Originally, by default, it's text to video. Click on this icon here, this one that I just clicked, and then change it to frames to video. You get frames to video. Now you have to add your face frame, which is the image. You get the beginning. So come over here. They are going to ask you by using this feature. This one is just their use of privacy policy. Just click on yes. Then come over here again. So go to your downloads where you added this thing, and then download the video. So now it depends on you. You are going to know which one is the clean one and which one is the dirty one. That's the before and the after. So I downloaded this one first. So this is the before video picture. I'll click on it and allow it to upload. So this is it, the dirty one. how do you want it now? It depends on how you want it. So come over here now and change it to portrait. Since it's in portrait mode, remember we use 9:16. If you want it now in flat mode, like how YouTube screen normally is, you use 16.9. so come over here and then change it to portrait mode. So you can see here, change it to this, crop and save, and then it's going to upload. So just wait for it to upload. Then you're going to add the after again, the after video. So but you're going to wait for the before to upload completely before adding the after. So let's just wait for it. So okay, so the before has uploaded. Now the after, like what do you want it to turn to? We'll come over here now, click on the upload button and look, use the other one, which is the after. So it's loading and this is it, and then automatically is in the 9:16. Click on crop and save and also allow it to upload. So while it's uploading, there's another prompt you're going to use. You not just add the two images and click on next. No, it doesn't work like that. There's a prompt you have to use to have that whole scenic effect that has people coming around to clean it and stuff like that. Yeah, so once you have the before and the after, if you make a mistake, you can just click on this button and change it. This now turns to this, you get. So but no, we want the dirty room before the clean room. But in case you put the pictures in a different order, you can just switch them. That's very easy. So now that is like this, you come over here again, and then this is the prompt. This is the last prompt. So you're going to copy all of this. Like I said, it will be in the video comments or in the video description, depending on where you're watching from. So come over here and then paste it. Ctrl V to paste. So once you've pasted it, a photorealistic cleanups, blah blah. I'm not just going to read it, not to waste your time. And then you click on next, and then you are going to allow flow to do its work. So you can see this is the percentage is reading here, 4%, 5%. It depends on you. If you want to get it faster, you can pay. You can buy the pro version, but I won't advise you to get the pro version, since the free version depends on your usage. It depends on what you want to use it for. You can get the pro version if you want, or you can stick to the free version. But for this video, everything I'm using here is the free. I'm not using the pro version. So now the video is generating 24%. You can still come over here and look at the first frame and the second frame, and the model is using VO 3.1. I think that might be the latest model. I might be wrong. You can correct me in the comment section. So 36%, we're going to wait for it to finish. 39%, like I said, it depends on how many people are on the queue before you, and the kind of prompt or the output you want it to give you. So while we're waiting for that, you can maybe fast forward this video a bit, or you can still stick with me while everything goes. But then you can come to, this is the prompt: a photorealistic vertical 9:6 ratio cleanup transformation video of a neglected trash-filled room inside an old house. The video uses smooth camera movements and a moderate time-lapse speed that shows clear actions without rushing. These keywords are very important, so make sure you just copy everything and paste it. The scene begins in daylight with extreme mess. The floor is completely buried under the chaotic piles of trash bags, old clothes, broken furniture, household junk, stick cobwebs hanging on the ceiling. So you're just trying to describe the room and make it look very dirty. So once you're done with the description, first start with the workers. Methodically remove loose trash, garbage bags, carrying them out of the floor, broken furniture. Let's see if our flow is okay, still at 52%. Okay, and then I think it's done. So this is done now. So we can put it in full screen and let's see how it looks like. So click on the play button and let's see how it turns out to be. So as you can see, clean up, and that's how very fast it is, and boom, you are done. So as you can see, it went from, let me play it again. It went from the dirty room and they're cleaning it very fast, and in under 8 seconds you've gotten a clean room. So this is what most people do online. This is how they do it online, and then make you feel like, okay, it's a cost, it's something you have to pay them thousands or hundreds of dollars for. No, it's very, very easy. Once you are done, you can just come here, click on the button. So there are two ways: animated GIF or original size. Click on the original size. This comes as a video. If you click on GIF, it comes in GIF format. So make sure you are using the original size, which is the video format, and the downloading is free as usual. One thing you should know, that once you are downloading it, there will be this VO and then this watermark there, but there are ways you can remove them. I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in the next video. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Like I said, the whole prompt will be in the comment section and in the video description for free. So thanks for watching, and do have a great day, and see you in the next video.